You don't even live nowhere. I want to say you want to make money off and go book Airbnb and post with my bill for the lie. You tell them out stink. And you know, you want me to see that having on my phone and so cocky, I go kiss up my bill for the like kiss, man. And not you. When me having on my phone and suck off a cocky and kiss up my baby father. Not you. Not you. Say you're chef me, I come for you, you know. Roll up and fold up me, I come for you. Broke England, girl. Thinking mouth big man. Rotten mouth big man. You brush teeth? Annie, you brush teeth? What Drake's are do with you? Annie, what Drake's are do with you? You brush teeth? Stinking mouth big man. Dirty mouth big man. Because if you hear, Annie, if you hear mouth say something, don't want to see that you're pussy.
Nice spitting them for you. Shit pan your time, shit pan your and fart pan you. All that. Yeah. Hey, that's Rosealee. You let down TikTok, you let down the gifters. I'm going to save gifters, I go come to no send money Congo no. People, you saw me telling you say everybody when Nikki give. Everybody when Nikki send give, come give. Then turn zombie, who not dead. Turn monkey, dopey living at their head, living at them belly. That's some of y'all feed man and I feed them pitney. Well on them. Hey, well on them. Well on them everything. People, I'm here alone as a blogger in a Jamaica and I take no gift from Nikki. Everybody will take gift from Nikki. Who not dead police kill them, gunman kill them. Who fi sell out them pitney and go mine batty man when man a fucking batty. I'm gonna go feed him with food. Pan fuck. That means them out stink like chillin' thinking pot gully. Well on them.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing's set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beating as you can see. Pan on the screen. Yeah, people, we have a whole lot to go on with another video, so it's extremely important to watch the end so you don't miss a thing. So after this can see, somebody sent me a DM saying that Rebel is pregnant based off of that video, yeah. You know, the people them say, you know, the belly is high and it's growing and they can't stop from hiding, you see me? But as you can see, I'm in disagreement with the sender because these girls is able to feed themselves regularly. You know, morning, noon, and night, and all of them think they breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I'm gonna do that at one time working with Spice. Ramesh, you know, aka Mashmouth Dan, chest makeup oil. This is what I said, but no, these girls are doing well on social media and can feed themselves regularly and not treat themselves to a KFC and all of these things. And you know, them two not dance that much. You see what I said, the calories them is stacking and not burning. You see what I said. But anyway, let's proceed to the next channel topic out of Jamaica. We see that's popping. And then I have to deal with Brie because she responded to her baby daddy. Because you know, yesterday she revealed that, you know, him did artistic and all of these things. And them did broke and she and him son they are starve and all of this stuff. And him responded by saying ta. And I show her a bag of money, so she responded saying you still broke. You know what I mean? And she ready for fling up a series and do the damn thing. You know what I mean? Because homegirl can't be looking good and now no money. You see my people, but you know what it goes with these couple. You two can't believe where them are. Basically, when I buy with them myself, you know. But we're tuning said way, you see me? You know what I mean? But anyway, let's get to the bagger that you're here for. Because you know Rosealee is right. You know, her co-workers can't feel comfortable running in upon her business. You know what I mean? And she's not trying to let these girls out here from Annie to Chev, you know what I mean, come profit off her likeness. You see, my people putting at the comment section where you think about that because I'm not gonna lie. She's 100% right, you know. You're supposed to go to work and mind your business, but these people are kind of friendly on TikTok because them say it brings in more gifts. You know what I mean? But you see, when they're not working at them favor, that man for come out here and boss it, you see?
Sub it. Make the girl them type black. Me no want about the song and listen to me like me black. When them type you black. Make the comment run. Make it run. When them comment you black. Me no want them over here. Me no want a girl slump and wanna like me. Cause me here in a comment to come talk about the first truth. What is the blood clot first truth with him talk? Eh? What is the first blood clot truth when Yam Batty Jaden come out come blood clot talk say? What is the first truth him talk say? What is the first truth him talk say? What the truth? Come and see someone that coming, but and the first me I hear him speak. What is the blood clot truth him talk say? When me bad man, you for Jaden. What my bad man you for? I me hear oh shit bad man, what bad man you for? The 5 car them you own, or the 1 year rent we pay over Phoenix part. Over Phoenix Path where I live. And the 1 year rent, my grudge for we pay for your 5 car with your blood clot one. Or the extortion, you have to walk up if you get bodyguard. When me Rosealee bad man you for the whole way a beggar. What you have with me bad man you for? Are your teeth where you not blood clot brush? What my bad man if I are the clothes where you not wash, are the beard where you not go blood clot? You know something about my own. What me bad man you for? You know like clout like dog. You know what day before just come on TikTok when me I used to play match. Me I used to look at camera, you throw shades span him. A clout ya look, you not gonna get no clout ya so. You're not gonna get no clout ya so. Me no want, me no bad man for nothing. Cause the same amount of gift you get and the same amount of gift me get. And if you have yours, me have mines. So I'm bad man for. Me not sleep on ground. Me not sleep on ground. If I want one better man, I can go to the blood clot store go buy it. Me not sleep on ground. My bad man you for. Oh, you want bad man. And you are the real bad man from blood clot, yeah. Cause remember you're not too like Jakes. But true, y'all watch us the views over there and the gift of over there. Y'all run come friend him. Y'all run come friend him. Jakes like you. Nyambati Jaden, you can't class me. You want any can blood clot class me. You want any can class me. Jakes like you. I want me shape bad. I want me at 200 over 85. Me I gotta go breed and half pitney and them nice. Jaden I want me big and stay bad. Me I gotta breed and half pitney and them nice. I mean, now left them up on the homes. That's why your mama did left you up on the homes. Them now grow there. Them now grow there. Them now grow there. Make a reason. Here you want to come by me. You like clown. Me now left my own up on the blood clot homes like how your mama left up on the homes. Me nice. You want no girl over there and have nothing from blood clot me. Nyambati Jaden. Jaden when I brush out. Jerry when I brush out the after food still next to the braces. Look how after food can stink in the mouth. You come talk about underneath you are poor hoes. Jerry look how wait. That too much blood clot water. I pull it already. Jerry look how after food can itch up in the braces. We're not gonna go brush your teeth. Your animal stink like batty wall. Your mouth and animal stink like batty wall. You are show blood clot and wriggles when you want the whole factory. Me walk up the extortion for nobody have my back. Brad. Me no walk and play extortion for nobody have my back. Me no walk and play extortion for nobody have my back. Me walk and play extortion for people have my back. Jenny can walk in Jamaica, batty boy, so cool. Where can walk in Jamaica? Where can walk in Jamaica? Batty boy, Jaden, suck pussy Jaden, you have things. I make you strength pan ya. I was gonna run up. You can't get another clout here. No time. I know Jakes, I use Jakes, I use the car enough up. Jakes don't like if I'm a fan of kind of paint. He wants you to bust your face. You chat off your blood clot, but you know who's my baby father? When you hear me chat to my baby father, don't run in. So cold. Don't run in. When you hear me deal with my baby father, don't blood clot run in. You hear me with the phrase, my baby father? I never say my blood clot, man. You don't hear me talk my blood clot baby father. Don't blood clot run in. This is one clout I now get sucked all. Come look a bit and think. You don't want some reminiscing. You want some remedies, you want some vitamin. You look at Tony them want clip. Your foot bottom dirty. Every time you put your foot at them, you want beard. Don't run in, you're not a clean boy, you're not a class boy, you're dirty with capital D. You clean? It's a dirt alert. And frowns, look at bit and frowns and untied in a blood clot. Stinking boy, you want worm out. You want worm out. You can't run up in and you want to warm out. You far for your kitchen. You far for your kitchen, look boy. You far for your kitchen. One last thing, get a home cooked meal. You cook. When you live somewhere, you cook. One last thing, get a home cooked meal. One last thing, get look a porridge. One last thing, take some more medicine. One last thing, get a doctor. And me house come blood clot, come about stinking boy, your things. You look batty cloud. You look suck pussy cloud. You look dash your belly cloud. Everywhere you walk, I look cloud. You not get none yourself. Play too much of me for and go on. I got things say, yarn me got blood clot for me. Bust up your face a road. And you see me around the car say, nothing. Me not ask you that. Me not ask you that. Come we find a finny pack with your blood clot live. And I can't get to the rap sheet. Cause me know people. Actually, I can't take the tambourine. Yeah, so go back to you. Annie, come here. I realize the tambourine upon TikTok. Annie, come here. What jokes I do with you? Annie, come here. What jokes I do with you? You brush teeth? Thinking mouth big man. Rotten mouth big man. You brush teeth? Annie, you brush teeth? What jokes I do with you? Annie, what jokes I do with you? You brush teeth? Stinking mouth big man. Dirty mouth big man. Cause if you hear, Annie, if you hear your mouth say something, don't want to see that your pussy. Annie, if in your mouth say something, don't want to see in your blood clot pussy. I don't want to see that if your jaw's blood clot seeds. Cause people learn to take care of their mouth. Stinking rotten mouth big man. Eh? Annie, I'm here real come out. Annie, in your mouth look like when piss natal then it's stain, kept the brown stain, that's in your mouth stain. In your mouth stain with plaque and gingerbread some long time, something after food scent. Eh? Shit mouth, Annie. You look like Annie, I'm shit from your too. Big body mouth, Annie. Shitty mouth, Annie. I'm here come out. Jakes can't send for nobody girl. Cause him house have to finish. What Jakes I do with you? Me not here good, which state to not go pan? Which state to not go pan? Me not here good. Me not here good. Jakes can't send for nobody girl count no bad blood cause girl who no be. And then you want to come to my mouth. You want to start serious. The money you want to make off. You can't make the money off for Jakes. And you have to resume as you were. The boy say full of pay. Can't shove us. You don't know what the blood clot or me. It got something nice. The boy know you're bagger. The boy know you're not a belly bottom. Him know you're not a throat back. Him know you stink. Him know your mouth dirty. Him know when you see a period you like blood clot beard, him know. So the bumper pussy blood cause your prison just stinking self ago. Cockroach live in your breast, Annie. Worm in your pussy, Annie. With the blood clot you got dirty woman. You walk catch all type of money and not catch dentist appointment. Book a dentist appointment, Annie. Annie, you walk catch every man pants to be you not catch a dentist appointment. You not catch a dentist appointment. You not catch no dentist. How them people here? Cause since you no true violence pan this blood clot. You walk catch all type of man pan TikTok, but you not catch no dentist appointment. Wrigley's can't help you. Me don't think that toothpaste or toothbrush can help you again, Annie. You want to sit down in a dentist chair and them dig up your mouth. Toothpaste and toothbrush, it gone bad. Annie gone bad. Annie your mouth gone viral with stickness. Toothbrush and toothpaste can't help you again. You want to sit down in a dentist chair. I have to say, you want one of the someone and put your soul for suck out the spit. I want woman go for your utensils, rackle her germs there, rackle her plot there, rackle her mole there, and just rackle near your mouth so that you want your mouth gone bad. Jeff can't send for your mother girl, but not you. Your man go up on which date? You want me stone you? You want me buckle and stone you? Go up on which date? My Annie, I don't want nothing for my neighbor, much as a blood clot, mate. What kind of date? You're sick? You're mad? Not under my jurisdiction. Not under my living body. And I don't even want you as a neighbor. Much less my mate. Your mouth stink like your mouth step in a doo-doo. But series. What the series about? How the buckle and stone you and the blood clot. Can know me. Good series. You never go do a series to the dentist. Stinking mouth, Annie. You want just to go do a series to the dentist. Come okay, go there. And that with Jewish church and law. Where you go run the mouth, woman, where you go? Where them calm down. I like me a bark too much. And him can't not my baby father. You know, so I quote it, I never say my man. Annie, me Rosealee don't want just, but you can't deal with him. As long as me alive. He say any bad girl what just a send for, just have said one girl what can help Shanchan and Barbar. I feed them dividends. Me are different. What you have to give just help him to open them stinking Annie. But I'm be a bad breath. When you have to give GX bad. GX make up one tattoo. You can't put one of the blood clot. That's why you don't live now. You can't put up GX and night. Stinking Annie. A clout you want. You can't deal with GX. No series can start on this a blood clot. No series. Because if you don't meet me, mash up the date. If you don't meet me, mash up the date. Mash up the date. Why you can contribute to GX and him tattoo him a bill? They don't even live no way. I want to say I want to make money off him, go book Airbnb and post with my bill for the lie until them out stink. And you know, you want me see that I've been on my phone and so cocky, go kiss up my bill for the like kiss man. And not you want me having on my phone and suck off a cocky and kiss up my baby father. Not you. Not you. It's all your chef, me I come for you, you know. Roll up and fold up, me I come for you. Broke England, girl. You know my blood clot telling me say. Tamarind pan TikTok. Pause and a little bit. Mr. Jake to do one blood clot girl named Chevy. Chevy, book your flight, come here. But if you ring off your neck like when them ring off chicken neck, what Jake's I do with you? You can't send for none of the old boars, girl. What fuck out donut and suck all pussy. What Jake's I do with you, Chevy, have money? And I see if you gonna come. Who am I here come meet? And I'm at you, Chan. Any bad girl will just ever send for a bad blood girl can't help him. You not calm down. Me I defend up in them. Me I defend Chanchan and Barbar dividends. You have money, Chevy? Dirty Chevy, I know you. Chevy, I know you. I know you. Remember me and meet already. So when you walk and look man like dog. I see you walk and catch man like dog. What just a blood clot do to you? When you do your children, you fight phone, you lean, I know your mug, you still lean and shrivel up. How you want jerks to? How you want jerks to blood clot? You get the money for take out the fat them off your liposuction? Can't lie for you though. You was a big girl like me. You was a big girl like me. It's lie for you though. I know your whore. Dirty whore, I know you. Dirty whore, I know you. So when you're like, hey, where you want jerks to help you life? Help to cut off some of the fat them lean, girl. Jakes have a fuck one gift where have money can take care of man and pick me. One nice big man with a nice job where me approve of. Anyone on a relationship mash up. Anyone on own. All hell broke loose. Jakes have to take a girl one nice like a big woman. Well like this kind of Jezebel like look on that Jezebel. And then we could have my people go around you and you sell out your data. You sell out your data virgin if you do her. They can hustle upon ya. And then what do you and even could have make my data go around you sell your pick the virginity over here if you do her. The one we have 14 now go to school just do her on you. I want a bad example. Come here a bad example, you know, but we not a bad example. Don't, but I told them type one, Chev throw them away, because Chev can't come look for Jakes. Chev step on the mountain. But beat out her, she talk boop, she boop. But say you ever see some girl beat you, I set girl pay for beat you. Or I'm pretty, you can't come nowhere here. Back off, I look for your baby father. We beat you in England. Back off, you come here. My approval. A Shanchan dividends, them Shanchan and Barber dividends me. Shanchan and Barber dividends me. I look about. Check myself for a bad girl, one nice, clean, demure, big woman who have her things and can't ball up any mission on a cloud chaser. As somebody don't want for the pan life when they ever make you feel like you a blood clot somebody. Chev, you walk and chase clout now blood because a long time I know if on Instagram there's dirty or. The one on a cloud chaser. Dirty or a long time I know you. A long time, I know you dirty girl for you to come here one time. And this time I 50 and take it back. Remember you just say me 50 and cancel it. So good girl when I hungry days. You don't have no money. 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 You can't help below the tattoo. You can't help below the tattoo. You don't have no money. So when the blood clot you come out. Eh? I don't want just what you can't get in. You can't get no man to put on a sad body. I don't want just put on a care. I don't care. You don't want some jealous. I'm a fellows. I'm a this. You have a send for a bad girl and it's like, oh no. Just have a send for a bad girl. I'm not see her yet. Just look at nice gift. You have a lot of nice clean gifters over here. One of them good job.
Yeah, put in the comment section if you think Chick was always planning on doing this. Because you know Rosealee out of order still. You know what I mean? Because she there and date with AKEEM and I get dig out and all of them ram out and daggerings in a club. And the way let's see it. So you know he's just, you know, returning the favor. Anyway, people, when I go along with this no longer. So do the right thing and like, share, comment, subscribe to the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.